in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got lips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in a medium road. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my
guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from Gorgius.com. Today's unit goes by the name of Feathery Flow 5x5 Lace Bohemian Style Wig. I think that might be their shortest name for a wig yet. The cap construction of this unit comes with 4 combs in total, 1 in the back, 1 on each side in the front, and then 1 in the very center. It also comes with adjustable straps and a security band as well. With that security band, you can adjust it to your liking. The lace on this unit is a 5x5 closure, meaning you get 5 inches going straight across and then 5 inches going straight back for the parting space. This unit comes in 22 inches and 22 inches only. This unit did come pre-plucked, and they did a really good job with this unit on the plucking portion, but it didn't come pre-bleached, which was okay with me though, because I did decide to go in and bleach the knots myself, and I will say that the hair took the bleach really well. This is a 100% human hair unit according to the website, so therefore you can bleach it, dye it, curl it, whatever you want with. I did go in and shampoo, condition, and then I let the unit air dry overnight. This is how she's looking afterwards. I will say that the texture on the top of the unit compared to the texture on the bottom of the unit, it's still the same, but I just want to say that it's almost like the ringlets are a little bit more defined in the back than what they are in the front. This is what the unit is looking like online though. To me, the unit online compared to in real life are very similar, and I can understand why they named the unit Feathery Flow, because it does seem like a very lightweight unit. The density isn't listed on the website, but I would say that she's about 150% density. It's very lightweight, like I just said, and very flowy. It's just like really giving me a Bohemian vibe for sure. Let's go ahead and install this unit, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts about her.
Oh, that's nuts, baby.
Let go. No time for bad energy. More life and it's more money. In my life today, God on my side today. Can't decide, oh. Whether it's the honey and nice, can't decide, oh. Whether the we gon' cool my mind. No stress, no enemy. That boy used to be a friend of me. XO, what she sent to me. Say me can't let them boy get to me. I'm in the mood. I'm in the mega mood. High life, get away. Tough life, far away from you. I wanna see the view. Watch the world, I wanna be on beachside in Cancun. Tell me what you wanna do. Yeah. Anywhere me go, know the gang go. Been long since I reached back home. Remember days you was on a back road. Till a lot of places that we can go. Yes, I know. Might just pick up my back and go. I need to roll. Can't do what they say anyways. Think twice before you play me. Say yeah, when you been late. Lately you been acting crazy. Shady, I can tell who you shady. Hate me, but still rate me. Maybe it must be, maybe, or maybe I must be crazy. No stress, no enemy. That boy used to be a friend of me. XO, what she sent to me. Say me can't let them boy get to me. I'm in the mood. I'm in the bigger mood. High life, get away. Tough life, far away from you. I wanna see the view. Watch the world, I wanna be on beachside in Cancun. Tell me what you wanna do. I wanna see the view. Sweet island, man, life so sweet.
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from Gorgius. I can instantly let you guys know that this is in my top 5 from them. If I ever go on a tropical vacation, I'm probably not going to wear a wig, but if I choose to bring one, this will be the one that I would bring. It's lightweight, it's flowy, it's given a very messy look, but at the same time, somewhat tamed look. If I were to go into the water, I wouldn't be really worried about how this unit is going to dry or how it's going to look after it dries, rather, because I know it's going to like turn out like this. So even if I use a wide tooth comb, a brush, or my fingers to comb through it, it's still going to look good. The hair is extremely extremely soft, and I've ran my fingers through it plenty of times within this last hour that I've had her on. Thankfully, I'm not getting too many tangles, but I am getting a little bit of shedding here and there. If you are somebody who knows you like to keep your fingers in your hair whenever you wear units, but you don't really like the big poofy looks, this might be the unit for you. Again, I used a wide tooth comb, I used a brush in this unit, and I also ran my fingers through this unit, and this is as big as she's getting, which I can appreciate. Don't get me wrong, I love me some big hair, but I can also appreciate a unit that doesn't do too much. The lace on this unit is melted to the gods. Like, you tell me if you can tell me where the lace stops and where my natural hairline begins. I'll wait. Now, of course, if you were right up on me, and also depending on how the light is reflecting onto the unit, you are going to be able to see lace, but for the most part, this lace is bomb, like too good. Most of the time I go in with foundation or lace tint spray on the inside of the cap just to help the lace blend in a bit, but I didn't do that with this one. Instead, I just took the remainder of the foundation that was on my brush, my foundation brush, and I went on top of the lace just on the perimeter of the unit, and clearly it's getting the job done. The install on this unit was extremely easy because, again, this is a 5x5 closure unit. I'm starting to notice that I like 5x5s more than I like 4x4s. Don't get me wrong, 4x4s are nice, they're convenient, but with the way that my forehead and my hairline is set up, 5x5s just typically blend a whole lot better. I'm also starting to appreciate closures more and more because then that means my edges are out, which then of course means they're protected because, of course, no glue, no spray, nothing rubbing up against them. We love that. Because the color of the unit is so close to the color of my natural hair, I'm okay with my edges being out. I'm also okay with doing a little ear tuck. A way that I try to conceal the perimeter of the unit is by taking some of the hair that's on the perimeter of the unit, tucking it underneath the unit, and then tucking it behind my ear, and then bringing out some that's behind that piece that was behind the perimeter that I tucked and pulling that over in front. I hope that makes sense. To me, it just kind of helps blend the unit just a little bit more to where it doesn't just scream wig. Now, if the unit was a different color in comparison to my natural hair color, then I don't think I would really be able to get away with it too good. As I stated in the beginning of this video, this unit is 22 inches long. When all of the hair is pushed to the back, I want to say it stops right up underneath my like mid-back area. I also wanted to mention that there are a few light layers cut into this unit. I don't really have anything negative to say about this unit. I thought I was going to be able to say that the curls are like clumping back together, which for me I didn't want, just because whenever I think of Bohemian hair, boho hair, I think of sexy, wavy, curly, messy hair, and this is exactly what it's giving me. So I'm really thankful that the curls aren't clumping back together. Now, if you want the look of the curls clumping back together, I would recommend not using a wide tooth comb, brush, or running your fingers through the hair. But yeah, if you like this unit, let me know down in the comment section below, and if you plan on picking this unit up, you can use my code TAN25. That should save you 25% off the entire website. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, they're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have a direct link to this unit in the description box below, so make sure you guys check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.